National Influenza Vaccination Week is underway, and El Paso is already on the map, seeing a big increase in the number of reported cases this year compared to last. I'm Daniel Marin.
And I'm Natasha Paloma. Public health officials are warning the public about the risks and how to protect yourself. KTSM 9 News reporter Tatiana Favela here with more.
Well, there were 194 flu cases reported this time last season right here in El Paso. Now, compare that to this year, that number has jumped to 414 cases. Now, some parents we spoke with say that they're worried about that spike. However, they're also working to prevent the virus from spreading.
We've been vaccinating our kids for a long time. I don't think we should stop, unless we want to take a step back in time. I think we should be moving forward and not back, to be honest.
As the number of flu cases increase in the Borderland, it's also raising the concerns of some parents, such as Saul Macias Jr.
I definitely feel that the more parents that kind of want to shy away from getting their kids vaxxed, I think it'll affect the healthy kids.
Doctors warning the public of some of the symptoms and say those who have higher risk at getting influenza complications are seniors who are 65 years or older, young children, women who are pregnant, and those who already have chronic health conditions.
When you have the flu, you know you've had the flu. Very high fevers, generalized aches and pains, cough. And when you look at, for example, the flu virus, the issue there is that you have a virus that's very aggressive. It's a respiratory illness.
However, there are ways of prevention along with getting the flu vaccination, such as avoiding contact with others if you are sick and basic sanitary practices.
Me and my wife in our house, like I said, we have a sick child. As soon as anybody walks in, we make sure to wash our hands with a medical grade soap, kind of like how nurses would scrub in once per day. Scrubbing in, when you give yourself a really deep clean with a really strong soap.
Macias reminding parents to be more mindful of preventing their kids from getting sick so that it doesn't risk the health of others who may already deal with illnesses.
Kids that are really sick, like my kid, when they get the flu, it's not just the flu. It's, it could lead to something way worse, like life or death of, kids that aren't as strong as other kids.
And the Department of Public Health Immunizations Program is working with the Medicaid waiver program to offer influenza vaccines at no cost to children between 6 months and 18 years old and to uninsured adults 19 years or older. That's if they qualify under certain guidelines. We'll have more of that information on our website at ktsm.com. Live in the newsroom, Tatiana Favela, KTSM 9 News.